Hi, this is Cici from China. We recently delivered a batch of spare parts for the SICOMA MAO series 300-meter concrete mixer to Malaysia. The parts included half rear plates, round plates, cast-iron tails, red plates, door seals, feed wheel plates, screws with nuts, and other accessories packed into wooden pieces. All items were clearly labeled with tags showing the PO number, item description, and quantity for easy identification and identical check. We also prepared full and accurate documentation, including a detailed weight list for your reference. I'm pleased to share the pictures and videos that the parts have been successfully installed and are working well, based on feedback from our customer. I'm very happy to have provided the correct parts and reliable service, and I sincerely appreciate the trust my customer has placed in me. To customers, trust takes years to build, but only seconds to break. Professionalism and reliability are my bottom line. I deliver every order with care to earn and keep my customers' trust. If you have any demand for SICOMA mixers or spare parts, please feel free to contact me anytime. Thank you for watching. Wherever you are, I hope you are having a fantastic day. See you next time.